had been wrong with Carrie, honey.
Wow. We should take her to Cochrane Industries Hospital.
She's getting worse. It's a robo-disease.
Hi, Mom. What's wrong with Carrie?
Cody, I think your sister needs to be repaired. She's going to be repaired in hospital.
Oh, all right. Hopefully she getting well soon. But how about the sacred suitcase? She currently trying to figure it out.
Oh, don't worry. It's all under control under the protection of LARP and Cochrane Lab.
Let's go! Parents out of town, you know it's going down. Mix me that jacket coke and watch me drink it now. We going hard, no doubt about it, y'all. So many shots, I can't even count them all. Freaks only, welcome to my zone. And bring your friends, baby, leave your man at home. No rules here, celebrate with me. Take it all the way, now everybody's saying house party, house party. We can get it on at the house party, house party. Bring your friends along and let's get down, shawty, down, shawty. Do it all alone at the house party, house party. Yeah, you my naughty party, house party, house party. We can get it on at the house party, house party. Bring your friends along and let's get down, shawty, down, shawty. Do it all alone at the house party, house party. Yeah, you my naughty party.
And that's how flowers lead into the flaming passion.
Hi, Cody. Let me guess. Talking to random hot chicks again?
Oh yeah, it's hard to talk to girls here nowadays. I guess your girlfriend must be lucky to have a beloved one like you, Kai.
So, how was the mysterious suitcase case?
Carrie's supposed to help me on that mission, but unfortunately she had malfunction this morning.
Don't worry, Cody. I know any robots who will make you hide. Oh, there she is.
Hi, I'm Judy Cooper. I'm a robot too made by Cooper Labs.
Nice to meet you, Judy Cooper. Is she hired in LARP too?
Not really, but she's in Craig's robotic toy too. Yeah, I saw no robot from the happiest XD show on Earth.
Hi, I'm Stan, short for Sentient Tactical Assisting Neo-Human.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Stan.
I'm also a robotic teacher in Mickey High too. Yeah, last time I heard my favorite student Kai watched marathon of Aaron Stone in a day. He even favored in Charlie's little brother Jason Landers.
My Disney Plus credit expires, Stan.
Get well soon, my first daughter.
Get that suitcase now.